Hi everyone, Marius from Pickup Media here. Today I'm at Pink Kimberley Diamonds in Sydney, Australia, and I'm going to be photographing this beautiful radiant cut pink diamond inside the GemLightbox Macro. So this is a Argyle pink diamond radiant cut 5PR VS2. It's a 0.74 carat stone, so quite a sizable stone, just to show you the specs. And then let's continue with the video. So I've got the stone inside a GemLightbox Macro on the black background, just to show the contrast in the stone and really show off that beautiful pink color. And with the macro, there is a 10x zoom. So even though it's a 0.74 carat stone, we're able to see really good details on this stone. So we'll press the red button to record. And as it's moving, we're seeing all the beautiful pink colors in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. So that is a 360-degree video. If you don't want to show the back of the stone to your clients, you can do a 90-degree video. And you can also adjust the speed from fast to slow. So a slower speed just gives them more time to appreciate the stone. Absolutely fantastic. So that was a great video. It really does the stone justice. You can really see all the different colors and beautiful details in there. And then if you want a really quick video, you could do a 45-degree video, fast, and that's just going to move from side to side to really give us a quick video, but to still show off all those beautiful colors. Fantastic. And then I'm going to follow up with a photograph. So switch to the photos, press the green button, and there we have it. As you can see, really good detail with that 10x zoom. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to show you the actual stone next to the samples. So this is a video that we just took, and that's the Argyle pink diamond. Very beautiful stone, really good pink color. And as you can see, when it's photographed in the GemLightbox Macro, really great pink color coming through.